How to extend columns and rows in Excel. You paste a dataset into Excel and half your words are awkwardly chopped off in the middle, or worse, your numbers completely vanish and turn into a row of useless hashtag errors. This happens because Excel's cells don't automatically adapt the data to data volume out of the box. Today we are deploying the fastest manual shortcuts and global layout overrides to instantly expand your rows and columns. So guys, if you are manually dragging columns one by one to make your data fit, you are killing your workflow speed. Let's use the layout engine to calculate the perfect width instantly. So just move your cursor up to the top gray header row where the column letters are. Hover your cursor directly over the thin line between column A and B. So hover it somewhere right here. And as you can see, your pointer will instantly transform from a thick white cross into a black double-sided adjustment arrow. Instead of clicking and dragging, you can just simply double-click your left mouse button. Excel will instantly analyze every single piece of data in that entire column and snap the width to perfectly match the longest string of text. To execute this globally across a massive sheet, move to the absolute top left corner of your grid and click on the tiny triangle icon right here, sitting right above row 1 and to the left of column A. And when you press this, as you can see, it will highlight every single cell on your sheet. Now you can just double click any column boundary or any row boundary like this, and your entire sheet will automatically expand and breathe perfectly. Also, sometimes AutoFit isn't ideal because it creates columns of widely different sizes, making your sheet look unorganized. If you want a clean layout, you should extend multiple rows or columns to the exact same numeric value. Okay guys, so just right click anywhere inside the highlighted header zone, and then from this context menu, choose column width. Okay, and a small entry box will pop up onto the screen, and in here you can type in the exact character dimension, like 15 or 20, and then hit enter. Let's say 15. Okay. And you can do the exact same thing for cramped rows as well. So that's it. This is how you perfectly balance and proportion your sheet. Enjoy the guide as always, guys. See you soon.